How to unfriend all your Facebook friends at once. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfriend all your Facebook friends at once, quickly and easily. So, if you're ready to clean up your Facebook friends list, this video is for you. So, let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Now tap on the three horizontal lines and open settings. From there, scroll down until you find an option called activity log. Once you're in activity log, scroll down until you find connections. Just tap on view connections. Now as you can see here, you can filter and make sure categories you have added friends. Now from here you can simply remove all of these by simply clicking on trash or simply clicking on the three dots, and you'll be able to unfriend everyone. And that's it. That's how you can simply unfriend everyone on Facebook at once.